Hello, good afternoon, Atul. My name is Manish. I'm co-founder of Bitkart. Thank you so much for placing an order from Kerala at Bitkart.com. I think we have received some kind of money also on my request. I was the one who spoke to you a day before. So I thought I should give you the information of the configuration that you have chosen. So I'll quickly run through the configuration that you have chosen. Before that, I wish to thank you again, and I feel so good and I feel so proud that whenever I get orders from south of India, specifically from Kerala, I have a very special relation with Kerala because there was a time when a lot of Keralites used to work for me, and I used to really love working with Keralites. I have a special bonding with Keralites. So quickly I'll run through the configuration that you've chosen. And I have behind the camera is Williams, who would probably build your machine out in a few minutes from now. So behind me you can see a lot of components that you've chosen. I've kept it on the table. To quickly run through, I'll just show you this cabinet, which is a Lee 215 LAN cool. This is the Aorus motherboard B550AX V2. That's your power supply, a fantastically chosen power supply, 750 watts bronze V2 MVE. That's a Galaxy 3060 Ti graphic card with a 3 years warranty. That's your processor Ryzen 5800X, I believe. That's your 2 terabyte Barracuda. That's a NVMe. Those are your cabinet fans, RGB. And that's your liquid cooler, I believe, right? And these are your RGB RAMs. So thank you once again for placing an order. We wish to build this right now, and we also wish to test this machine under hot conditions in Delhi in room temperature for the next few hours and give you the report. Also, we would probably ship this machine on Tuesday evening or Wednesday morning. So you should expect this machine in few days from now, maybe by the end of this week or the next Tuesday. So everything is in short, everything is on our head. The moment you will receive the PC, you should make unboxing video and give it to me. Any issue on that, we will take care of that. And thank you once again for placing an order at Bitkart. Have a very nice day.